So this lesson expanded on the previous one in where students had to create a web map with all the things that they liked about a specific season. For this lesson, I had students generalize those main ideas by finding similarities. So this was my example. I had 3 different highlighted colors and the students had the same. And I conducted a think aloud where I showed students how I connected hot apple cider to mashed potatoes to apple cider donuts, pumpkin spice pie, green apples, and that showed that I love the foods in fall. And then I showed myself highlighting all of these and writing down a main reason for each of the highlighted colors for why I like the season of fall. So I love the fall activities. I like the holidays in fall, and I like the food in fall. And those were the 3 main ideas that students are going to be using for their body paragraphs in their opinion piece. So me and my TA helped the students find those main ideas and highlight them. And the reason they highlighted them like that is because the students were going to refer back to those highlighted reasons for their details for each of the reasons for the body paragraph. But I had students generalize and write their sentences here. So this student said, I think the best season is winter because the fun activities, the fun weather, and the great places you can go. So these main reasons are what they got from all of their brainstormed ideas. Here's another example. This student said the fantastic celebrations, the cool spring stuff, and the very fun activities are the reasons why they like spring. Finally, this student, who is an IEP student and is in Tier 3 reading, wrote that they like summer because I like to go places. I had to generalize this for them because I noticed that they wrote to the park. Reason number 2 was I like to eat, and reason number 3 was I like playing outside. So these are some really great reasons that they can really expand on in those body paragraphs that we would be working on in the next day. I would like to note that students did find it easy to refer back to this sheet, but it was a little difficult for them to continuously look back at the web map and then look back at the sheet. So if I were to do it differently, I would add in bolded notes for them to write those examples for each of the reasons underneath here. So I would make the sheet a little bigger and have space for them to write those ideas so it was all in one place.